I'm excited today to tell you about a new facility, a cutting-edge facility in our industry, something that has not been done before and really is going to showcase the innovation that American Auto Body has and the commitment it has to its customers. So when you think about what customers want, what they really want is to get this process over with. They don't want to be here in the first place. We've learned through a detailed study that speed is a big deal. Getting their car back fast is very important to them. It allows them to move on with their life. So how do we do that? We set up a team, and this team is purposely focused on the smaller jobs. This facility allows us to take the small repairs, bring them into an environment where they are the rock stars. They are the showpiece. They get all the attention all the time, and we continually move these cars through this process of continuous flow. So this facility we've got has a system and a flow to it, very intentional. This has been in design for years. The door that the car arrives and comes in, enters into the repair center, is also the door it exits, which is very rare. So when the car comes in, it actually moves onto a track system that's in the floor. Very simple dollies. The car is able to be moved sideways through the length of the building through the various repair phases. First phase would be a pre-washing. Second phase would be damage analysis. Third phase would be disassembly. Fourth phase, repair. Then when you get through that repair phase, it also then moves into refinish. After the refinishing process, it gets put together. From there it gets washed, final inspected, and then calls to the customer and delivered back to the customer. That process, although it just seems simple and can be explained in 15 seconds, is very complex and hard to do consistently. We take pride in making sure that that car looks better than it did when it came in, taking away that inconvenience, moving you past this whole experience, getting you onto whatever it is you want to do. More efficiency, better quality, better customer experience.